Hi guys! Today I'll show you how to grind meat in a Cuisinart food processor. By grinding your own meat, you can control the texture and amount of fat. This is 1 kilo or 2.2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I've cut them up into 1-inch pieces. The meat should be cold. This Cuisinart 14 cup can process 2 3/4 pounds of meat at one time. Lock the lid. I'll pulse this a few times until it's ground. This looks pretty good. There are no big pieces, but it's not finely ground. It has some texture to it. So that's it. In about a minute or two, you have fresh ground meat. I ground this meat to use for chapli kebabs. They're really flavorful, and if you want the recipe, I'll put a link in the description below. If you want easy and tasty recipes, you can also subscribe to my Anita Cooks channel. If you're grinding meat with a lot of fat on it, after you take the meat out, wipe the bowl out with a paper towel, and then wash in warm soapy water. As always, I hope you found this video useful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.